In ancient times, in one of the small villages in what is now Saudi Arabia, there lived a girl named Leela. She was the daughter of a simple blacksmith and grew up in the strict and righteous teachings of Islam. Since childhood, Leela was passionate about knowledge of the history of her people and faith. She dreamed of becoming a famous scientist and spreading knowledge about her culture and faith throughout the world. Despite opposition from those around her, Leela continued her studies, reading and studying sacred texts and historical documents. Her passion for knowledge and faith was so great that she even risked her life to learn from sages from other fields. One day, when Leela was only 18 years old, warriors from a neighboring tribe came to her village, threatening to destroy all living things. People were scared and defenseless, but Leela did not give up. She met with the tribal leader and was able to convince him that violence would not lead to anything good. Thanks to her determination and wisdom, Leela was able to negotiate a peace agreement between the two tribes. Her feat became legendary and her name was mentioned in